they might get up. Y'all.
Yeah, let's go.
Now she hollered about yo.
I ain't trying to go over there by them big old things. Them things probably weigh more than me.
Look how you lean head to the
I'm
side.
telling y'all. Them ducks probably weigh more than me. You think I'm trying to go over there? Look, y'all. Clearing the picnic up. Ooh. Hey, YouTube. So it's Shaunice and my mama's driving us, and we got Aiden right here. So we about to go to Walmart and get ready because we're gonna have a picnic today. It's gonna be our first picnic, and it's gonna be Aiden's first picnic ever. So we're gonna go get everything we need and get our food. Ouch! Stop pinching me. Look at that mess. Look, y'all. Help me. Help me. So, yeah, that's what we about to do. Go get what we need for the picnic. And I'm going to vlog the picnic part so y'all can see how it go. But if we do it right the first time, or we going to do it all wrong, who knows? You know how I do when you feel like you're rushing for time. So, it's about 1:36. It look like it's 1:36. So we been there, was doing this, but it was kind of like a yesterday or day for yesterday idea. So spur of the moment. Yesterday idea. So I'll show y'all when we get together. Okay. Say all right. See you later. Hey YouTube, so we are here. Look, Aiden asleep, y'all. He showed out in the store, so we couldn't even get what we was gonna get for the picnic, and we didn't know what we was gonna get anyway. And then I left the cooler, so we ended up getting like a plate from like Walmart, and then we got pineapples and grapes and something to drink, and then we got the little blanket to put down. And so we just finna go sit up our little picnic area, and we out here by, look y'all, we found a place
out here. We ain't got out no. I'll put my mask in my
pocket just in case. I know, right? So we ain't even gotta have our mask on because it's like, it's so big. Hey y'all, so we setting up. Look at how pretty it is out here. So pretty out here. Aiden over there. My mama's going to the car. Hey mama. Sanitizer. So y'all look. Aiden's asleep. Don't worry y'all, I'm watching him. Make sure nobody comes and get him. Look. Okay YouTube, so we here. Again, like I said in the last clip, Aiden sleep. So we left his snacks and his food in the car. We'll let Aiden hold the camera.
Hey YouTube. Hey. We out here chilling. Got our little napkins. Our paper plates.
Right, paper plates and all.
Quart size.
We don't think we don't need a paper plate for our listening. Oops, our fruits.
Right. Poppy can't sit up. We just got us some little food right here.
I know, right? Sure can't. Probably because we ain't on level ground.
Water. We don't need the fork right now till we eat the food.
We didn't pick a level
Y'all, the
place.
water is so pretty.
Well, I need a fork. Hey y'all see us having a picnic?
Y'all, the water is so pretty.
It is pretty out here, y'all. We gonna
I ain't
probably
gonna
walk
let this fly
when we finish. If y'all wonder what that is, y'all in Aiden car seat with him. Aiden's holding the camera.
I can't even open this. Okay, I had it that way.
And this is new for me, y'all, cause y'all know I don't eat outside.
But it's
If y'all
nice.
didn't know, the first time you're gonna find out. I don't eat outside.
Got
Y'all.
cheese. I'm gonna open this cheese up right here.
Hold on, y'all. Let me show them what I got to eat too. Oh yeah. Oh.
We got our masks right here just in case we need them. Cheese, baby.
Oh.
I know one live before I should have went live. I be dressed like, excuse the hair behind the ear. I had it down, so I'm gonna have to take it back down and take my keep outdoors, you know, by the water.
We all wearing green.
Even Aiden, he got his little green on.
It feels good to just be out.
Yeah,
We feel like we feel like we out.
Yeah, we don't feel
But
like
we not really
like,
out.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I'm good to breathe the air in and out. Let Aiden be free. Let him play.
Yeah, so I got the little walking trail. That's something we wanted. We wanted to be near by the water with a little nice area, the little trees. It feels nice. It's real warm outside.
We
It's
passed the
80-something
little bird things, whatever they are.
and then you got an area down there like
With
a
the
playground.
playground.
Like we could just sit here.
This is a real nice
Show got
park.
off the, oh, he got off the truck there.
He
backed
backed it,
up.
backed it into the water.
Just seeing how big of a breast he tried to give me. That thing came off of a turkey or something. I didn't want that.
Turkey? That must have been chicken.
It was so big. I ain't never seen no chicken breast that big.
And probably just a big chicken. Some people would have wanted that bread.
And the wing
Give
is
me that
still
big
on
one.
here. He's old wing, look.
It looked like the wing was on all of them.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah, y'all, he tried to give me, he tried to give me a huge bread.
He said, you look like you need to eat.
Oh, yeah, baby, no, he tried to be funny. Okay. So we're gonna have to put these back in the car.
Now look.
Get on here after we've had them.
Okay, yeah, we'll go into the what's the name afterwards. Before we go. My mama, she don't want to walk past the ducks, y'all.
Yeah, I'm scared. Might get out food.
She's scared of the ducks. If they chase us, then we can just sue this park. If they chase us and peck us,
Hey, y'all.
because if they know they ducks be pecking people, they shouldn't have them out here.
I know. I don't want to take no chances. Somebody might pick my eyes out. I need my eyeballs, y'all.
Look how pretty it is out here, y'all. It's beautiful.
And it's hot.
Beautiful and hot, y'all.
Our baby hair slicked down.
He been sweating.
He hair
Look,
slicked down.
y'all can't see it, but he has slick, y'all. Gotta leave his sunroof up so you can stay warm. Yeah, them is some pretty big ducks.
And then you got two white ducks and then whatever them things is.
Look at them.
Y'all think they might get up? Y'all.
Yeah, let's go.
No, now she hollering about yo.
I ain't trying to go over there by them big old things. Them things probably weigh more than me.
Look how you lean head to the
I'm
side.
telling y'all. Them ducks probably weigh more than me. You think I'm trying to go over there? Okay, y'all, so to end off our little picnic date, we about to take a walk around the park. Keep walking. They got a bunch of walking trails out here.
Y'all do.
It's a pretty nice park, pretty nice big park
And
too.
they come here and walk more often.
Come to the park, get Aiden out the house. Yeah. Have fun.
Y'all for my workout clothes.
He don't like the sun and his pretty eyes.
Jog. I can even jog right here. You ain't got nobody right around you.
Exactly, because it's so big. Ain't no reason for everybody to be cramped up unless they want to be, y'all. Because this park is huge. Our park out there where we live is so little and tiny. Don't nobody even go there. We used to go there when we were younger. Just to get out the house. Playground back there. It's right there. Look. Right there. Picnic area. If you want to sit at the table and have a picnic. It's real big and beautiful out here, y'all. Look, people over there walking. Real big out here. Park go way, way, way back there. Cause we drove way back here to get here.
This walkway ain't the strongest, is it?
It sure ain't. This the wrong walkway. Get my drink. Yeah, this the wrong walkway, y'all. This walkway all broke up and You don't look, you gonna trip over here. And the folk gonna see you fall. So, y'all see how beautiful it is out here? Look, people all over there walking. Okay, babe, you can pull it down. We in the shade again. You got to fall down the hill. I'm tired.